All right, folks, this is Chris, Lake San Diego County. I am here in the Cleveland National Forest, one of the picnic areas along the San Luis Rey River. Look at all the moss on those big boulders over there. There's a beautiful oak woodland in here. So many nice trees and some sycamores, bare of their leaves at this point. And it's so pretty in here after the rains with all this water. And it's just so quiet, except for that little bit of road noise from Highway 76, which is right up there. We're at the foot of Palomar Mountain too. But just a beautiful day after the rains here. Sun's starting to come out a little bit. I'm gonna work my way down this way a little bit more. Show some more of this nice river. Yeah, looks like that willow is growing right over it. Right over the river and onto the other side. Pretty big coastline oak right here. There are some other big ones on the way in, but I didn't show those. All right, well, that's going to do it for now. I just wanted to show this little picnic area along the San Luis Rey River in the Cleveland National Forest by Highway 76. So that's it for this little video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Later.